welcome to this week's vlog. Hello.
Hello.
This is Jan, I'm Tony, and we are making new memories, aren't we?
Yep.
We are making new
Definitely.
memories. We're on the Shropshire Union Canal at the moment, and we're heading to Audlem. There's 12 locks.
12 or 15?
12 or 15 locks there.
That's a lot of difference if you get it wrong.
Only for you.
Yeah.
How's your ratchet windlass doing?
No, it's absolutely brilliant. I'm loving it. I don't use it all the time, only when I really need to. But he's been helping me a bit more now. He's been getting off the back of the boat and shutting the gates and lowering paddles and whatever.
But you don't always ratchet. Sometimes you do the whole thing.
Oh no, I'll do the whole thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. I don't ratchet all the time. I'm not that lazy.
That's to get your arm muscles, is it?
Yes,
I get my arm muscles from picking up a pint or two or six or whatever.
Why do you always have to lower the tone?
That's my name, Tone.
You threw that one in.
I threw it in, yeah.
Right, back to the plot.
Back to the plot. Anyway, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and following our journey and sharing. You know, you can share these vlogs with your friends.
Yeah, there was a few people that came up to me on doing the locks at Audlem, and they said, "Oh, we watch your vlogs," but they also said they didn't subscribe. They thought they had to pay.
No, it's
you
free.
don't have to. It's free.
No.
I honestly, there was about 5 people that came up to me.
Yeah.
But no, it's free. You know, watch them. But if you subscribe, it just helps us along the way as well. It's nice.
Subscribing is free. You can support the channel. There's a couple of ways of doing that. One of which is Patreon. There's a link below, and the other one is to join the channel. And we have a new channel member who we're going to say hello to, and that is Gareth Waite. So,
hi Gareth.
Hi Gareth, and thank you very much for supporting us.
Yes, welcome.
You can do that. We'll put a link up here somewhere.
Not up my nose.
Oh, okay, I'll try. And then the last vlog as well got some lovely comments, because we decided not to put any music on apart from the dramatic sequence as we were coming out of that lock, and we just left the sound of the birds, the engine, the water and everything.
Oh, it was your decision, because you're the musical one,
and apparently you all love that, so we might be able to do it again. I don't know. We have to be going through somewhere where there's quite enough ambient sounds, if you see what I mean, because it was all wooded and gladed and stuff. Yeah. You could just hear so many different bird calls. I only know the sound of a blackbird. I haven't got a clue of any of the other ones, but apparently there was wrens and all sorts of things. So
I need to get that app like you can do for plants and shrubs and things. Is there one that you can
probably
like what's Spotify or something for
Spotify
birds?
for birds. Yeah. What song are they singing? Anyway, we hope you enjoy this week's vlog. Now coming to Audlem lock flight. Takes you up about 90 feet, I think. 15 locks in total. Yeah, it takes you up about 90 feet. I think. They're all sort of close together. So interesting when you meet another boat coming the other way. All right. This is the famous Shropshire fly. Obviously the Shropshire is the Shropshire Union, and fly means fly boats. Those were the ones that did non-stop journeys all the way from the north down to London, carrying all sorts of cargo. Haven't been inside, but I understand it's made out to look like the inside of a narrowboat, or the front cratch cover. Do you want to steer?
You can talk then.
I can talk. I know I can talk. Talk for bloody England, apparently. Oh, that was Audlem locks. Audlem locks, yep.
Yeah. They were lovely.
Nice locks, yeah. Well presented. There was a lockie. I think he was helping a few other people. I don't think they have lockies full time. I could be wrong.
There was just one of them.
Yeah.
And then the hotel boat was there.
The hotel boat, that's lovely. Duke. Very nice. Check that out online.
Oh, and the honesty shop.
Yeah, the honesty shop.
Oh, scones straight out of the oven.
Lovely. And pork pies. So now we're just pootling on to Nantwich. Nantwich?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nantwich. And we're probably going to overnight there and maybe do a bit of shopping. We need some supplies. We need some gas, actually.
Yes.
There is a national shortage of colour gas, especially the 13 kilogram bottles, which is the one most boaters use. And most I think caravanners have them in as well. I think you can get the smaller ones, but 13, and of course you try and plan ahead. We phoned ahead a couple of places, and they're out of stock.
They hadn't had their deliveries, had they?
Not even had the deliveries.
And didn't you say maybe marinas are only serving their own?
I think certain marinas are only serving their own moorers. And we just been past Overwater, and there was
nice.
Very nice marina. I saw some gas bottles in the locker at the front, but I'm not sure whether they were empties or full, or whether they were for sale for passing boaters. But hey ho, there is a fuel boat that does the rounds. In fact, there's two. One does the whole of the 4 counties, and another one does the South Shropshire and onto the Llangollen. So we're on the list, and if we see him, we shall get some gas and supplies from him.
We're okay though. We've only just
We've only
gone on to our last bottle, and the previous one lasted us nearly 3 months. But you know, it's just nice to have that
security.
Yeah.
Just in case. When you're on a boat, you have to have 2 of everything.
Where's she hiding?
Got a spare wife.
No, one's enough for you, I think.
Yes, thank you. Right, anyway, enough of us blabbering on. Let's enjoy some lovely scenery as we head into Nantwich.
It's beautiful.
We're at Nantwich.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, and we're again on an embankment, a little bit higher up than ground level.
And it's got the aqueduct, hasn't it?
It's got an aqueduct, yeah, I think there's an aqueduct here.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Yeah.
But you're looking down on all the houses and stuff around. It's very nice.
Although you can't really see the houses because there's plenty of trees about. So yes, it feels very secluded. In the next vlog, hopefully we're going to be getting off the Shropshire and going up the...
Llangollen.
That's him. That's the one. Yeah. Make sure you say it properly because she's Welsh.
Llangollen. It doesn't matter. I only know because I'm Welsh.
Just have a mouthful of spit and you'll be okay.
Oi.
Anyway, that's to look forward to the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one as usual. Thumbs up if you did, or thumbs down twice, apparently. Yeah, you don't know.
What's that?
Ah, you see. If you click the thumbs down twice...
It does a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Where did you get that from?
Some foxy people, I don't know who they were.
Oh, okay.
Anyhow, so yes, thumbs up for a like. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and as we said at the beginning, it's totally free, then press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Ding!
Thank you, Janet. And YouTube will notify you next time we upload a vlog. Should be quite exciting and beautiful and picturesque on the next one because we'll be up there. Gosling. Thank you. Look forward to it. Anyway, in the meantime, happy cruising, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank God.